Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious matcha truffles. These delightful treats are surprisingly simple to create, requiring just a few key ingredients. We'll start by gathering about 170 grams of good quality white chocolate, 60 milliliters of heavy cream, a tablespoon of vibrant matcha powder, and a small amount of unsalted butter. The quality of your matcha truly elevates the final taste. Now let's create the heart of our truffles, the matcha ganache. Gently heat 60 milliliters of heavy cream in a small saucepan until it's warm but not boiling. Pour this hot cream over your finely chopped 170 grams of white chocolate and a small knob of butter in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then stir until it becomes a smooth, glossy mixture. Finally, sift in 1 tablespoon of matcha powder and mix thoroughly. Once your matcha ganache is ready, it needs to firm up. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, ensuring it touches the surface of the ganache to prevent a skin from forming. Refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle. When chilled, use a small spoon or a melon baller to scoop out portions. Quickly roll each portion between your palms to create smooth, round truffle shapes, about 20 grams each. The final step is coating your beautiful truffles. The classic finish is to roll them generously in extra sifted matcha powder, giving them their signature vibrant green hue and slightly bitter contrast. For a different twist, you could dip them in melted white chocolate and then dust with matcha. Arrange your finished truffles in small paper liners. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade matcha truffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.